Hello guys, it's a new day. I trust you're all doing great. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to blur the face on an image and apply makeup. So before doing that, check the video description below. I will leave the links to the images that we are going to use for the program. So if you click on it, this is the first image that we are going to use, and this is the second image. So minimize your browser and drag them on the desktop. After that, open your Photoshop. So in this tutorial, click on your file, click on open, and select the two images. We have this and this. Then press on open. So first of all, let's edit the eyebrow. To remove the background, because there's no background, there's a background. So to remove the background, double click on the background layer, new name, layer 0 is cool, and press on OK. Then select your quick selection tool and single click on an empty space on the background. So just one click, then click on select, then similar. Click on similar right here, similar. It will automatically select all the white backgrounds from the image. So hold your Control Shift I. It will just select the image that we want. So after selecting it, hold the Control key and press on J. So we can turn this layer off and get our eyebrow wall cleaned up. So let's go to the image, the main image that we are going to work on. So as usual, the same process that I used to clean the pimples from her face. So we select the spot healing brush, we duplicate the layer, then start removing the spot from her face. So click, just a single click to remove, click, keep on clicking to remove all the pimples from her face. Remove all the pimples from her face. Our brush is too small, so we go right here, then increase our bright size to 11 is cool. Let's keep on clicking. Let's remove all the pimples from her face. I think it's cool. So let's remove all the pimples from her face. Scroll up, there's no pimples nowhere again. got some right here, boom. So it's cool now. Let's on I8 and see. That's a great job. Okay, Control 0 to fit the page. So let's apply. Select your quick selection tool. Click on quick selection. You can use key W to just switch it. Then select the face. Select the face. You can hold Alt key to activate your manuals and hold Control Shift to activate your plus key. But for now, we are going to use the manuals key. You can just click on the manuals right here and reselect it to get the actual face. Select and get the actual face. Yeah, that's cool. So after that, you hold your Control plus J to cut the face from the image. So if I hold Alt and press on the eyeball, we just got the face. And then if I still hold the Alt key and click on the eyeball, it will activate the rest. So now let's blur the face. Click on your filter, then click on blur, Gaussian blur. In this tutorial, we are going to use 1.6 to blur the face. 1.6 pixels. So just type in 1.6, then enter. So hold your Control key and press on the face, media layer 1. Then click on the mask key to mask it up. So it's well masked. Now we can pick our brush tool, increase our brush, then clean the blurring from her eyes. Clean the blurring from her eyes, the mouth, and the nostril. And the eyeball, the eyebrow. Clean it gently. Same applies here. Alright, so we got our image ready. I think this place is, yeah. Try and check these blurring places. So we got our image well blurred, and she, look pretty cool. But now we are coming to apply a makeup. We are wearing its eyebrow and do a shiny thing on her eyeball. So let's quickly do that too. Zoom in your work. Go to your eyebrow where we just cropped. Click on Vein to select your move tool. Right click on the eyebrow as a layer 1. Then click on duplicate. Then select document and click on Asian transparent. That's the layer name. Then press OK. We go back there and we got it right here. So in this place, hold your control key plus T to select the free transform, or you can click on the edit, then click on free transform. So hold your shift key and drag the edges. Once holding the shift, add the alt key to move it easily. Then enter. Then remove the eyebrow right here. Control 0 to fix the page. Then click on your rectangular tool. Click rectangular marquee. Then select the lower eyebrow. Hold your control key and press T. Select it again. Click on layer 2 and delete it. So it's well deleted. Control D to deselect. Control V to move. So now we can move the top one as layer 2 and move the down one as layer 3. Or we can easily rename it for us to easily remember our layers. So we can type eyelash lower and rename this eyelash upper. Enter. So now we have the upper one. When we select the lower, we have the lower one right here. So we select the upper, move it right here. Let's zoom our work. It seems like it fits, but now hold your control C, then stretch it a little bit. Stretch here too a little bit. Then use your arrow keys to move it down, just to position it well. After that, press on enter and do the same to the lower. Select the eyelash lower, then drag right over here. Hold your control plus T to free transform it. Right click on it and click on flip horizontal. Enter. Then move, position it under Control T to free transform it. Drag it, drag the edges to fit. Rotate it a little bit. Keep on doing to get the extra place for it to be well fixed. Okay, I think this is cool. So in this position, in this case, you click on your mask tool right here. The mask tool right here, click on it, then select brush tool, then clean the black inside the eyes and right here too as well. Select the lower tool, click on the mask key, then mask it up. Gently. And now it's cool, it's fixed up. So Control 0 to bring it back. And now if you check the eyebrow, the color the eyebrow color and the eyelash color, they are not the same. So what are we going to do now? We click on FX or layer star FX, click on it, click on color overlay, click on color overlay. It's gonna give you red. Click on the red right here, the blend mode, click on red, then select the eyebrow color. Select the eyebrow color. It's not selecting up. Yours should work. Just one click to select. Yeah. Okay, but yours should have work. You click on the eyebrow color, it will automatically pick for you, but mine is not working, so I will just adjust it to get the color. Okay, I think this is cool. Then press on OK. Click on your blend mode, then select screen. Reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity to 90 to 90. Then press on OK. So we can just hold our Alt key and drag the FL to the eyelash lower. Drop it and we get the same color right there. So we have to apply the same right here. So click on the move tool as V, then we hold our shifts, then we click on the eyelash lower as all selected. We hold our control and duplicate our layer using Control J to duplicate it. Then we drag the tool right here. So you select the upper, you hold your Control T to free transform it, you drag to get the actual size, hold the edge to get the actual size. Let's zoom in a little bit. This is cool now. So enter or press the correct key right here. Let's position the lower tool. You click on the lower, then use the arrow key to adjust it down small. Control T, then drag the edge right here just to stretch it a little bit. So we got this one too. Control 0, we got the eyebrow through. So let's turn off all our eyebrows by clicking the eye right here. So let's disable them. We are going to read it laterally. So select your layer 1, Then select your rectangular marquee, then select elliptical marquee, drag through the eyebrow top. Think this is cool. Release it. Click on here. Click right here. Then reselect with the insert select. Click right there. Then apply the same here. Then release it. So in this position, we are not getting the actual thing. So we click on the Polygonal tool, select, click on where we want to start, then click, 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 click. You see over there is 0, so meaning it's that's the exact place where you can end your selection. So we click on it and it's selected. So we do same right here. We click right here. We click, and we click. Now we got it. So hold your shift key. Let's resize this one. Let's use the manuals. We click, we click, we click, we click, 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 click. Boom, we got it. So let's duplicate this layer by holding Ctrl J. Then same applies right here. So we click right here, we click 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 down here, we click here, we click here, we click, we click, we click, we click, we click, we click, we click. Then we end it right here. Select your layer 1 again, then press on, hold Ctrl J to duplicate it. Now what we are going to do is we have to give it an effect. So you click on our FX, then select gradient overlay. Click on the gradient overlay, and this is how it's gonna be. I'm going to use Ghana colors. For you foreigners, choose your country colors to do it. I'm using my country color as Ghana color. So we select 3 colors. My country actually have 3 colors. So in the gradient, double click on the gradient to give you the option to to allow you to change the colors. So we double click on the yellow right here, then we select color red. Okay, and select right here the end one, double click, then we select green. Okay, so we adjust the yellow to come to the middle a little bit. Boom, I think it's cool now. So okay, and click on OK. So hold your Alt key and drag the FX to the other layer. So select the layer 3, then reduce the opacity. Reduce the opacity to 35%. Then okay, enter. So same applies to the layer 2, 35%, enter. So we select the layer 3 again, click on the layer mask, click on it, select your brush tool, then brush the edges, so that we get a smooth. Brush the edges gently, same applies to the top. We select our white color right here, select the white color to call it back. Right here, click there again, so it's cool now. Let's select the layer 2 to click on the mask, then let's mask it up, the edges. Do it gently. Select the white color, select the black again, boom. So it's cool now. We got the eyelashes, very neat. So we can activate our eyelashes back. You can activate it back, then boom, we're done. Control 0, control minus, send it back. So click on your layer 0, then click on your crop tool, then drag it back. Okay, right here, then click on your layer 0, click on move tool, the move tool right here, click on it, then move the layer 0 by the help of shift key to stretch it in line. So we got the before and the after, before right here and after right here. So we can close our gap small, crop tool, close the gap, and boom. So we select the layer 0 copy, hold our shift key, scroll up, then click on the eyelash at the top, then we group it by holding Ctrl G to group it. So Ctrl G to group it, Ctrl T again, right click on it, then flip it as horizontal. Boom, that's all. So now we take our test key, we type before, enter, then after, control enter. So we drag the after right here and the before right here. We go to our custom shapes, click on the custom shapes, click on the shapes, then select an arrow to direct it. So select an arrow, get it right here. We change the color to red, the before, double click, change the color to red, double click, double click, then change the color to red. So that's all. we're done for today's tutorial. We got our girlfriend looking so awesome. So let's save it on the desktop. We click on File, Save, and we name it Test2. Test2. We save it. Okay. We go back again, Save As. We click on the format, then pick our image as we select the JPEG at the top. Save Test2. Okay. Boom. We save the test and get it right here. Get it right here. So guys, thanks for watching, and I wish you guys all the best. Enjoy this video and see you next time. Bye bye.